The first thing I want to talk about is that when we do a task, the first thing we want to address is the purpose for the task. Now, if you don't address the purpose and you skip over it, you could be the most skilled person in the world, but if you don't understand the meaning of why you're doing something and it isn't something you have clarity around and that you approve of the meaning of it, then it will not be something that will sustain you actually doing it. The next one is the task activities. So there's the purpose and then there's the action. The purpose and then the action. The activities, the management of this is to ask yourself, are my activities from freedom? Or maybe you want to do a job and you want to have some say in how you're going to accomplish it. That's going to all impact how motivated you feel. If you're working at a job where you have no wiggle room and you're a person that needs wiggle room, well, you want to consider that when you go into that job. The next intrinsic motivator is the competence. How do I monitor that I'm doing okay? And how do I become okay when I have a skill that's not something I'm familiar with? Like when I'm working with organizations and transitioning to them where managers aren't managing anymore, they're actually developing people, that's a new skill for a lot of them. So how do I make sure that I am in an environment where I can learn those skills, where I'm supported to learn those skills, and I'm not going to feel embarrassed if, as I'm learning them. Fourth one, which is something that we underestimate, is our sense of progress. A lot of times in our life, we make tremendous progress and we don't even see that we have.